We are out here in the gym on a Saturday morning for our ab burner routine at 55 seconds. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. So we've got the, like I say, the ab burner routine, and we're at 55 seconds. This is week 2 at 55 seconds. Probably gonna go this week, maybe 2 more weeks after this. 1 or 2, we'll see how it feels today and next week, and then we'll make that decision. So we'll get the ab burner done, go out on a jog, and we'll come back and chat. So let's get this Saturday on the road and get this weekend started, folks. Let's do this. Let's get this longevity training done so we can meet age with grace. Here we go. Let's hit it. Got her done. Got the old ab burner done. Going pretty good. Maybe just 1 more week before we hit a minute. We'll see what it feels like next week. But able to make it through everything. Again, the high intensity was the main 2. The 100, legs in the air, your hands up and down. I guess your hands up and down keep you from focusing on how much your abs are burning, holding your hips off the ground or your legs up in the air. So that's one of them. But did get to the end of that one, and then the lower lift, legs in the air, raising the hips off the ground, basically a hip raise or leg raises. So, but the difference between this is you don't let your feet to the ground or almost to the ground. You keep your feet in the air, and you're just lifting your hip off the ground. So I use some momentum to do that because I know I let my legs forward a little bit and pull them back to get my hips off the ground. But it's a pretty good workout. Once that's done, if I get through the 100 and then get through that, it's everything else I can get through. It's those 2 there are the ones. So another week of those, and possibly 1 more after that, and then we'll hit the minutes. So we'll be back at the original ab burner, the old minute. I don't think I'll go above a minute. Get a pretty good workout out of this. Of course, the knee circles, that's a good workout too, but that's pretty manageable. I can get through that pretty easy now. So anyway, was there a difference between 55 seconds and 50? I don't think much. I think since 45 seconds, it's more of a workout, but is it more or less intense? Probably a little more intense because of the amount of time spent on it, but Is it undoable? I mean, it's not a whole lot of difference, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Then we went on our jog, and this was the first time I jogged. Gave myself a cool down at the end, so I gave myself a 1/4 mile cool down. I think that's what it was. What did my cool down? I ended up jogging 2.3 miles and at a 10:51 pace, and then walked 0.28 miles, so just over a 1/4 mile. The walk was slow it was over 16:30s, so 16:36 is what the walk was at. 16:36 mile pace, so slow walk, just trying to get a good cool down in before I just stop. I don't want to just stop all of a sudden. So muscles got to get their blood flow, keep their blood flow going so they can kind of rest before they just decide to lock up or something, you know. It's old engines, you got to take care of them. So anyway, got all that done, ready to hit the Saturday. Saturday's on the road, folks, so we are ready to go. You guys get some longevity training in this morning or sometime this afternoon or sometime, whatever it is. Go out on a walk. Doesn't have to be what I do, whatever you want to do. Just get the heart rate up, the blood flowing just a little bit. Doesn't have to be just something more than sitting in the chair. Get up, walk outside and walk back in. I mean, it doesn't have to be even a 1/2 mile, doesn't have to be a 1/4 mile. It can be 50 yards or 20 yards, whatever you can do. Get out there and get something. So you guys take care. Have a great weekend. We'll be back out on Monday for the week 2 of our incremental cycle. So we'll be increasing the weights on bench by 5 pounds from 175 to 180. So we'll see what that's like. Hopefully it'll feel a little bit better. Felt heavy last week or this past week. So we'll be hitting that. And then week 2 incremental cycle. So anyway, you guys take care. Be safe. Have a great weekend. See ya.